Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how to fix non-output error in Python. This non-output here, non-output. Like for example now, it says, hi, welcome to this program. Enter any key to continue. I enter any key. Write your name, Lukman, and I write my age. Let's write 5 years old. Let's write 5. So it prints out your name is none and you are non-years old. This is the non-error we are going to be fixing right now. So here's what we are going to do about this. In the script here, we are just going to come over here. So what we are telling Python now for us to do here, let me explain now. So first of all, we are telling Python to print out this, hi, welcome to this program, enter any key to continue here, right here. And when we input our name, we ask Python to print this, enter your name, and we ask Python to print your age. So this age variable and name variable. So after that, it will give us the result of your name is the name variable. It should print out that name variable you wrote, and your age variable too also. So now the problem is that it's showing none instead of the name, the exact name I put down, or exact age I put down, showing none. So here is the solution. What you have to do is to remove this print. That's what I think is the issue, most especially. You don't need to write print whenever you are trying to pass a variable down. If you write print, it won't work. That's what I think is the problem here. So let's run it now, if it's going to work. So hi, welcome to this program. Enter any key to continue. Enter your age. Wait, let me fix something here. I made the mistake here. Input. Let's run it again. Hi, welcome, let me enter your name. Enter your age, 5. Now your name is Lukman and you are 5 years old. Now it has displayed this, it successfully displayed my name and the age here. Now we've seen that the issue now is that print stuff. Normally when you are passing a variable down, you don't need to put any print or add any print. You just have to just write input like this. Whenever you are inputting a value and trying to pass it down, pass the result down, you don't need to write print. If you write print, it will give you an error. That's what I think is wrong with that's what I think about the error, that non-error. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.